Today I have a really exciting episode for you guys. Today my son is joining me. Thanks for coming, Sebi.
Hello.
And I'm really excited because he's been watching my videos, right?
Nope, not at all.
You haven't been watching my videos?
No.
Oh man, but you like my cooking, right?
Yeah.
All right, good. That's good news. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamburgers.
All right, you know what? You're in luck because I want to show you how to make some hamburgers. Do you want to learn how to grill hamburgers on the grill?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Let me show you how to do it. All right, Sebi, so we have regular hamburger beef. That's Angus chuck. That's basically what you normally get for like a regular burger. 80-20, that means 80% lean meat and 20% fat. That's what I normally make for you. That makes for a nice juicy hamburger. But then, because we're doing an experiment, I want you to try some other stuff. So I also have grass-fed burgers, which is basically these cows have eaten grass instead of grain. So the taste might be a little bit different. Let's see if you like that. And then lastly, I have Bison burger. And I know that you like Bison burger because I've made those for you before. And not only did you eat one, but you ate 2 burgers in one sitting. Do you remember? No? I think I remember. I think it was like that. So let's see. And you can rate these burgers later from like on a scale of 1 to 10, see which one you like best. 1 to 5? Okay, 1 to 5. All right, let's do it. So we're gonna have to make balls because these burgers that we're making today are called smash burgers. So we're going to start with a ball and then smash them down on the griddle, you know, on the soapstone. Yeah. So take this burger meat and roll it up as a ball. All right. Look, you can roll it like this. Make like a ball out of it. All right. You don't have to squeeze it too much. Yeah, that's pretty good. Here you see we have some salt. So just grab the salt and sprinkle it a little bit on it. Well, take it with a few fingers. You know, we kind of want to liberally sprinkle some salt on these burgers. Yeah, looks good. Very good. Kind of just sprinkle it all around. All right. And then let me put a little bit of pepper. Just a little. I know you don't love pepper, but it adds a little bit to the flavor. A little bit is yummy. Do you like things spicy? No? All right. I won't put too much. All right, here we are. Smash burgers are done. Let's get our buns ready. So what we have, wow, we have a lot of burgers. Are you gonna eat 6 burgers? You know what we're gonna do? Since these are smash burgers, the patties are gonna be real nice and small. So we're gonna double them up. We're gonna do like double cheeseburgers, all right? We're gonna squish this down, basically grill it, put cheese on top, squish this one down, put cheese on top, then build a double burger and do the same to these. So we actually only need to get 3 burgers out of this, all right?
3 burgers are gonna be.
Can you eat 3 burgers if you share it with me? Maybe. All right, let's do it. All right, let's get the bread. Okay, can you get 3 burgers out, please? And then you want to put a little bit of butter on the inside of the burgers, you know. No, well, yeah, take them apart, it's okay. Yeah. Without pushing it too much, just spread a little bit of butter, you know, on the inside. Yeah? Can you spread it? Oh, just put it down, you know, you don't have to hold it. Let's see. Just like that, you know? Spread the butter. It's just a little bit because we're going to grill the buns too, so they have a little bit of flavor. So just like that, spread them, and then when they're done, you put them over there. Okay, we're gonna need 6 patties of cheese. Oh, that's a perfect bun. All right, Sebi, first you have to start the fire. You see the charcoal? That's basically leftover charcoal from my last cook. So basically all you have to do is kind of shake the ash a little bit. It comes in a basket. Yeah, just shake it. All right, and put it back inside. And now you can grab these fire starters, these, we call them like FOGO starters, and just put them there in the middle. All right, awesome. You take this lighter, be a bit careful. On this side is where the flame comes out. Just hold it close and light the fire. All right, you're pro at this. Do you light stuff often, Sebi? No, all right, but you're very good at this. Looks good. All right, looks good, looks good. Here, make sure that the grill is open here so we can get some airflow. So you want to make sure that this is open because a fire needs a lot of oxygen to get hot. All right, and yeah, and then just carefully pile up the charcoal all around it. Maybe you can do it like this. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, you want to make sure it doesn't turn off the fire. You just sort of build it around it. Yeah, it looks good. Let it go. There you go. And then you can put one in the middle, right on top. All right, very good. Yeah, looks good. Let me get the grill grate. All right, so actually the burgers we're making today are smash burgers. And so basically smash burgers you don't do on a grill grate like regular steaks or burgers, but you do it in like cast iron or on a soapstone. So this material is called a soapstone. Oh yeah, be careful. Well, it's not hot yet, but later it will be very hot, right? And so next we're gonna make some burgers. We're gonna make some balls with our ground meat, and then we're gonna put it here and smash it onto this soapstone so we can make some smash burgers.
With my hand?
No, with some spatulas, like just like this. You know, we're gonna smash those burgers onto that soapstone. All right. All right. While the soapstone is heating up, let's toast the bread already, so that we have it nice and toasty. All right. So the way we should do this is like this. You know, put the bread, the inside, you know, the buttery side, put it down on the stone. You know, just like this. You see it just like that. Can you do that? Don't burn yourself, all right? If you need help, let me know and I'll help you. Or you can just put it down like this, you know? Yeah. Just be careful over the fire. All right. Looks good. Yep. Let's keep it in a little bit so it doesn't get burned. There you go, yeah. Yeah, especially if you have to reach over the fire, you always have to be careful. I don't think this one fits. Let me see. Yeah. Let's check this one. This is where it's the hottest. All right, yeah, so look, this one is ready. All right, this one looks very nice. This one is the bottom one actually, so you can come and start putting the sauce on. You know, whatever sauce you want. Ketchup and barbecue sauce. You see, while the fire is getting hot and getting our soapstone hot, we can, don't put too much, honey. Yeah, I guess it's a lot, right? All right. We can get the buns toasted, and then it gets nice and hot, and we can grill those burgers on here. And let's call it a day for this one. I think it's pretty good. Here you go. Let's start with the Angus burger. Yeah. Grab the press. I'll grab the burger, you press it down, all right? Do you remember how I told you? You're gonna press it down, it's a smash burger. So you're gonna do the smashing, all right? All right, let's do this. Here, can you, I don't want you to reach over the fire, okay? Can you reach over here, from here? Yeah, smash it there. All the way down, make it really thin. Smash, smash, smash. And wiggle a little bit. That's it. Lift it. Oh, we destroyed the burger. It's all right. Let's see if we can save this. Ah, this burger. We almost destroyed it. Let's try another one. No problem. Maybe let's lubricate our press a little bit and smash this one. Push, 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 push. Harder, harder.
come out like the other one.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Keep it on there a little bit. There you go, you see? Maybe we just needed a little bit of oil on the press. All right, you see that juiciness? That's almost telling us it's almost done. We're just waiting for that edge to get a little darker. But look, you see all the juice? It's accumulating all over.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty much ready to flip. Let's have a look. Well, could have waited a bit longer maybe.
Now the cheese.
Yeah, let's put the cheese. There you go. You think it's ready? There, it looks pretty good. Let's do it, right? All right,
Yeah.
grab a cheese. Be ready. I'll get it. Whoa. And flip. Oh yeah, it looks good, look. At least here we have a really nice crust. There you go, thank you. All right, I think this one is done. So let's take it off. I'll put this one here. All right, looks pretty good. End up being the smallest burger of all of them.
Did you flip it?
No, I haven't flipped it yet.
Flipped?
Yeah, right, it's interesting. All right, Sebi, do you think it's done? The last burger?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Do you think it's done?
yeah, let's check. Well, it has a nice edge. Looks pretty good to me. All right, can you put that last top? All right, thank you. Let's put this over here and let's eat some burgers. These burgers look amazing, Sebi. Thank you so much for helping me. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Enjoy it.
Awesome. Let me cut it up so we can try it. Okay, so we have that Angus burger here, the grass-fed, and the bison. All right, which one do you want to have first?
The smallest one.
The smallest one, all right. All right, actually, let me ask you something else. Which one do you think you're gonna like the best? Which one do you think you're gonna not like so much?
That one the best, that one the worst.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking the same. Just from the way it cooked, right? This one was really juicy, looked really nice when it cooked. This one, not so much. Well, also this one was the first one we did, so I don't know if we messed it up a little bit, right? Let's see. All right, let's cut it. All right. I'll show it to you in a second. Oh, actually, let me cut it into quarters. So it's gonna be easier to eat for us. There you go. Yeah, check this out. Looks pretty nice, huh? Cheesy double cheeseburger. Go for it. Mm. It's good. It's not that juicy, right? No.
The regular cheeseburger.
Nothing too special about it. All right. I see you didn't like it. You're not finishing it. He's waiting for the better stuff. All right, let's try the next. This one is grass-fed. There you go. Oh. You get the good half. I get the broken half. Let's see. Wait. You didn't finish it, but you have to rate it. 1 out of 5? Horrible?
I can't do that yet.
You have to give it some sort. Oh, you want to eat them all and then grade it? Okay, fair enough. All right, let's go. Okay, way better. This is good. Oh yeah. So much more flavor, right? And juicy. Interesting, right? How that makes such a difference to buy the right meat in the supermarket. I like this. This is good. I want to start rating it a little bit. This, 1 out of 5, maybe 0 out of 5. I really didn't like it. Dry, tasteless, Not good. This was like a frozen hamburger. Just didn't have any taste to it. This I really enjoy. It's good stuff. All right, and the final one is
Bison.
Bison. Oh. Keep messing it up. Oh, it looks pretty good. All right, let's cut it into a quarter. Which one do you want? This one? All right, let's go for it. All right. This one looks pretty good. all right, let's do it. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
5, 3, 1.
All right.
And 5, 4.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, it's close, right? You know what? This is not as juicy. You know, when we were cooking, we were kind of saying that all those juices kind of came out of the meat. I think that's what happened here a little bit with this burger. It's not as crazy juicy as the grass-fed one, but it's tastier. Really tasty, really yummy. I agree with you. I like this one the best, but maybe I would give it a 4 out of 5 because I kind of want to do another video where we take it to the top level, make the best burger ever. 4 out of 5, 3.5 out of 5 because it was pretty good, and 1 out of 5.
No. 0.1000000000000000000.
Poor burger. Ah, this is good stuff. You know, I really like the whole smash burger thing too. The edges get really crispy, and I like that crunch, that caramelization that it has like on the edge. It's really nice. I really enjoy that. That's good stuff. All right, last question. Did you enjoy being in the video today, and do you want to be in another video in the future?
I enjoy being in the video, but maybe.
All right. I won't invite you to every video, but I'll invite you to another video in the future. And you know what we're gonna do? We'll do another one of your favorite foods. What kind of things do you like? Pizza? All right, that's what it is. High five. We'll do pizza. Let's do it. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It was something a little bit different, but I really enjoyed cooking with Sebi today. I think he learned a lot. I hope you guys learned a lot. And I hope to see you again next week. Thank you so much.